people this formation.
So this is the sunboat from earlier today. I filmed it first time.
Or Italy.
I thought about it, but I knew this is the sunboat.
This formation.
Depicted on ancient Egyptian artifact.
But I believe this actually object here in front of the sun.
You see, people, this is very strange indeed.
So part of the structure is seen. I'm laughing because nobody will believe me, I know it. It's actually a structure. And structure. There's no lens flare in this picture. The waves moving, people on the beach having fun. You see the structure in the sky, people. Oh my God, this is real. Yeah, I must post this one. You see it, people? This is structure. This is amazing, people. This is real. This is not a lens flare.
So you see the structure in the sky?
So,
You cannot debunk this one.
see the colors?
It is real structure near the sun. I call it the sunboat,
So this is like a
meaning the
sunboat.
new age is
This is the sunboat.
coming.
So I'm very happy because this is very authentic, very real. You cannot debunk this. You see the color, the structure, the angles. This is structure here, and the sun is on the structure in the sky. I will be back for more.
So here we see the sun cube. This is from today also. So
It's not a sphere or a circle.
this
It's not a ball.
phone helps me
It's more like a door. Like
see
a
the difference in the
rectangle,
colors.
box.
It has a very
It's because of the structure near it.
nice
So all this structure is lined
difference in the color that you cannot
They
see
are
it on
moving.
other places,
That's why
other
the shape of the
cameras.
sun changes.
This will help
The
me
structure moves away.
showing what's behind the clouds.
Then a new structure comes.
And this is, I believe, this is structure in front of the sun. So I will show it.